In this video, we are going to look into the new features of Odoo 14 in POS module. So let's have a look on the new features that is being added in the point of sale module. So let's move on to our point of sale module. So you can take your point of sale module. So now let's see what are the new changes that is being brought up in the point of sale settings. So right now we have two management, that is the two point of sale management, that is a shop as well as the bar. So let's have a look on the settings of these point of sales. So here you can see the settings of your point of sale, that is the shop. So when you scroll up, you can see a new changes, that is here you can see under POS interface we have an option to manage the orders as well as the option called as product configurator. So these options were not there in Odoo 13 point of sale modules. So here with this manage orders we can reprint the receipts, refund as well as exchange orders, and with this product configurator what we can do is that we can select the product attributes as we have in sales modules. So yeah, so these two options are being added in Odoo 14 POS module, and in 13 we have the option named as login as employee, and now it has been changed into authorized employee. So basically the purpose is same, that is the employee can use this credential in order to log in to the POS session as well as to switch the cashier. So right now let's enable these two options, and here we also have this advanced cash control. So let's enable this also, and now let's save this. Now let's go to the dashboard. So now let's start our section. So right now it is loading to our session. So here you can see as I enable my cash control, here you can see this option. So this is a new feature that is added in Odoo 14, that is the POS close. Then you have an option to set a cash opening. Here you can set the opening amount. So basically in 13 we didn't had this feature, means we had the option for setting the opening balance, but here you can see its view is entirely changed. So there is a change in the view of setting the opening balance. So from here you can set your opening balance, and also you can provide any kind of note that you wanted, and you can just open it from here. So yeah, so when you set your opening balance and when you open your session you can see certain changes. So here you can see in earlier in 13 we had a plus option in order to order or in order to take the multiple orders from the customers, and right now it is being changed like this. So right now it is being changed like this. So suppose from here you can get all your products, that is from the home you can get access to all your product. Suppose if I am buying large cabinet, and here I am setting my customer, and in customer also you have an option to edit your customer from here itself. So this is also another option to set your customer. So yeah, you can set your customer from here itself. So here you can see your orders are being 1. So here you can see the count is 1. So when you open this, here you can see your customer corresponding order, time and date, as well as the employee who is logging into this session. And here you can see the status is ongoing. So here you can see under all tickets you have the ongoing orders, payment orders, receipt as well as tipping. So likewisely whatever you do in your section, correspondingly changes will be shown here. For example, suppose another customer comes, so he makes another order. So let's have another order, and here I am selecting another customer. So yeah, I'm setting my customer from here, and suppose I make the payment, and suppose if I go back and see my orders, here you can see you have to make this payment. So I think we can select this and we can provide this amount, that is 47. And once you go back to your screen and take your orders, here you can see the status of your order is being changed to payment. So yeah, so we have this extra feature in Odoo 14 point of sale, that is on the basis of each status also you can identify your orders from here also. So here we have ongoing, payment, receipt as well as the tipping status. So likewise it would be shown from here, and you can create the new orders from here. So from here then you can validate your orders. So once you validate your order itself, it will take you to the new page where they will ask you to take the print receipt. So usually in 13 also we had this option, but you can see there is a certain changes in the view, and here you can get the mail address of that particular person through which you can send them. So here we have that option also, or otherwise you can move on to the next orders. So these are some of the new features that you can see in point of sale. That is, in case of the view, that is after validating your amount, you will take into such a page where you have the email address and you can send it from here also. And in case of orders also, you have the status wise filter, so you can understand or you can easily catch your orders based upon different status from here. So these are some of the features or the new features that is being added in case of the opening section as well as the order management, where you have the different status. Then we also have an option. So let's resume this again. So in the settings of this point of sale itself, we have seen another option, that is the product configurator, where you can select the attribute as your interest. So let's have a look on that also. So let's look into that features too. So here we already have some amount, so let's discard this, and from the home page you can get entire product. So suppose if I'm taking my product called as the desk organizer, so when I select it itself, yeah, so here you get the different attributes for your desk organizer, that is its size as well as different fabrics. So basically we don't have this feature of product configurator in 13, but in 14 we had this feature in point of sale module. So this is also yet another feature that is added in point of sale. So from here you can add your feature or your attributes from here itself, and then the further you can do from the further payments and all you can do from here. So this is the some of the features that is being added in 14, that is regarding the point of sale configurator, that is the product configurator, then regarding the managing orders as well as regarding the point of sale opening and closing session.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.